What is enumeration? Enumeration involves an attacker creating active connection with target system and performing directed query to gain more information about the target. Attacker use the extracted information to identify point for system attack and perform password attack to gain unauthorized access to information system resource. Enumeration techniques are conducted in an intranet environment. Technique for enumeration: extract username using email IDs, brute force Active Directory, extract user group from Windows, extract information using default password, extract information using DNS zone transfer, and extract username using SNMP. Service endpoint to enumerate. This is example for the service endpoint to enumerate. We have TCP/UDP, we have UDP, and we have TCP/22. NetBIOS enumeration. A NetBIOS name is a unique 16 ASCII character string used to identify the network device. Over TCP/IP, 15 characters are used for the device name, and the 16 character is reserved for the service or name record. Attacker use NetBIOS enumeration to obtain: first, the list computer that belong to the domain, the list of share on the individual host in the network, and policy and password. This example, NetBIOS name list. NetBIOS enumeration tool. We have NetBIOS enumerator. NetBIOS enumerator help to enumerate details such as NetBIOS name, username, domain name, and MAC address for given IP address. Nmap, and start. NSE script allow attacker to retrieve target NetBIOS name and MAC address. SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol enumeration. SNMP enumeration is the process of the enumerating user account and device on the target system using SNMP. SNMP consists of the manager and the agent. Agents are embedded on every network device and the manager is installed on the separate computer. SNMP holds two passwords to access and configure the SNMP agent from the management station. Read community string, it is public by default, is allowed for the viewing on the device and system configuration. Read, write, and community string, it is private by default, is allowed remote editing of configuration. Attacker usually default community string to extract information about a device. Attacker enumerate NSMP to extract information about network resource, such as host, router, device, and share, and network information such as ARP table, routing table, and traffic. Working of SNMP. As you can see, community string. We have info for the host head and we communicate with host Y. If the community string does not match the string stored in the management information base database, the host Y will send a community string to pre-configure SNMP manager indicate the error. Management Information Base, MIB. MIB, a virtual database containing a formal description of all network objects that can be managed using SNMP. The MIB database is hierarchical and each managed object in MIB is addressed through object identifier. Two types of managed object exist. First, Scala object that define a single object instance. 2. Tabular object that define multiple related object instance and are grouped in MIB table. OID include the type of MIB object such as counter, string, or address. Access level such as not accessible, accessible for notify, read only or read write, size restriction, and range information. SMP use the MIB hierarchical namespace containing OIDs to translate the OID number into a human readable display. This is example to SNMP enumeration tool. We have an SNMP check. SNMP check allow one to enumerate the SNMP device and place the output in a very human readable and friendly format. Soft Perfect Network Scanner. Soft Perfect Network Scanner discover, share folder, and retrieve practically any information about network device via VM, SNMP, HTTP, SSH, and PowerShell. LDAP enumeration. Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, or LDAP, is an internet protocol for accessing distributed directory service. Directory service may provide any organized set of records, often in hierarchical and logical structure, such as corporate email directory. A client starts a LDAP session by connecting to a directory system agent (DSA) on TCP port 389 and then sends an operation request to DSA. Information is transmitted between the client and server using basic encoding rule. Attacker query the LDAP service to gather information such as valid username, address, and department detail, which can further used to perform attack. This is example for LDAP tool. We have Sofera LDAP Administrator. Sofera LDAP Administrator provide various features essential for LDAP development and administrator for directory. We also have several tools, for example, LDAP, Admin2, LDAP Account Manager, LDAP Search, GExplore, and Active Directory Explorer. NTP enumeration. Network Time Protocol is designed to synchronize the dock of network computer. It uses UDP port 123 as its primary means of communication. NTP can maintain time to within 10 milliseconds over the public internet. It can achieve accuracy of 200 microseconds or better in local area network under ideal condition. Attacker query NTP server to gather valuable information such as list of connected hosts, client IP address in a network, their system name and OS. Internal IP can be also obtained if NTP server is in delimited zone. And NTP enumeration command. This is example for NTP command. We have NTPDC, NTPQ. This is example for NTP enumeration tool. PRG network monitor include SNTP sensor monitor, a simple network time protocol SNTP server that show the response time of the server and time difference in comparison in local system. NFS enumeration. The NFS system is generally implemented on the computer network where the centralization of data is required for critical resource. NFS enumeration enable attacker to identify the exported directory list of clients connected to NFS server along with their IP address and the shared data associated with the IP address. SMTP enumeration. SMTP provide three built-in commands: VRFI, ESPN, RCTP10. SMTP server respond to different to VRFY, ESPN, and RCTP to command a valid and invalid user, based on which we can determine valid user on the SMTP server. This is example using SMTP command. SMTP enumeration tool. We have NetScan Tool Pro. NetScan Tool Pro SMTP email generator tool test the process of sending email message through SMTP server. SMTP user ENUM is a tool for enumerating OS level user account on the Solaris via SMTP service. Enumeration is performed by inspecting the response to VRFY, ESPN, and RCTP2 command. DNS enumeration using zone transfer. If the target DNS server allows zone transfer, then attacker use this technique to obtain DNS server name, hostname, and machine name, username, IP address, alias assigned within the target domain. Attacker perform DNS zone transfer using tools such as NSLookup, DIG, and DNS Recon. If DNS transfer setting is enabled on the target name server, it will provide DNS information, or else it will return an error saying that it's failed or refused to zone transfer. This example, we have Linux DNS zone transfer using DIG command and Windows DNS zone transfer using NSLookup command.